I'm hungry. I'm so hungry!
Little brat. We still don't have what it takes to fight the Saiyans. His latent power is our only shot. Fine. Just this once, I'll throw him a bone. Looks like there's only apples to eat around here. Oh well. I'm just wasting my time at this point. This little brat's giving me a real headache. I'm low on energy. Maybe there's some around here. Looks like someone wants to die. This little brat's giving me a real headache. I'll make quick work of you. This'll end it! Don't kid yourself, you could never beat me. Looks like someone wants to die. One's probably not enough. This is all he's getting. Looks like someone wants to die. These kids prove... I'm ready whenever you are. Let's do this! This'll end it! This'll end it! Damn it! This'll do! Don't kid yourself, you could never beat me.
I hate this place! I'm hungry! I want to go home! Apples! I found apples! Yay! Huh? Wow! It's kind of bright. For nighttime, at least. Oh! It's the moon! Whoa! It's so big and round! This is the first time I've seen a full moon.
What the? What? You're kidding me! He transformed! So this is a Saiyan's true power. What's going on? The brat transform into this thing! Damn it! Kid's out of his mind! No use trying to reason with him at this point. This'll end it! This'll end it! Tuck's power's unbelievable! Attacks aren't doing anything! This'll end it! 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 That's enough, you little brat! Try this! What in the hell's going on? He's berserk! There won't be any Earth to protect if this keeps up!
We Saiyans release our true power whenever there's a full moon. Even chumps like you should know that.
That's right! The full moon! Who would have imagined a kid had such a transformation in him? Must be a Saiyan blood. Looks like he needs a full moon and that tail of his to transform. Better get rid of it now. Now that that's taken care of, here's some clothes and a sword. I've got my own training to get to, so you're on your own again. If you can somehow manage to survive the next 6 months, then you will have earned the honor of being trained by the great Piccolo. You're gonna wish you'd never been born when I'm done with you. Hope you're ready.
I'm so hungry. I'm gonna be hungry later if I only eat fruit. I could really go for some meat. Oh, something smells good. But how am I supposed to get myself some meat? I guess I could catch a fish or something. I really want some of Mom's meat dumplings. Excuse me?
What the? Huh? Yeah. The more I look at you, the more you look like Goku when he was a kid. You're definitely related. Wait a second. Are you his kid or something?
Yeah. My name's Gohan.
Cool. I'm Yajirobe. You know, me and Goku are real tight. We go way back.
Oh,
Man, must be pretty rough, huh? Having Piccolo on your back like that. I know the feeling. Bulma won't get off mine. She kept going on and on about how you were kidnapped and needed help, or something. Anyway, she wouldn't leave me alone about the whole thing, so that's why I'm out here. But you know, I kinda got lost looking all over the place for you. I was starting to get worried. I was just about ready to peace out and head home, so, good thing you found me, huh?
Oh!
I bet you're having some trouble getting food, huh?
Yeah.
Well, this meat here's mine, so, can't just give it to you. Instead, I'll teach you how to hunt.
Oh, so that's what you meant by help.
Well, yeah. Look, little dude, if I just swoop in and take you back, Piccolo's gonna kill me. So anyway, yeah. I'll turn you into a master huntsman. This is how you do it. All right, then, let's give it a whirl. Just follow my lead and you'll be a pro in no time. Check it out. You can find some deer near trees.
Mr. Yajirobe said I should approach deer from behind if I want to catch them. Here goes. Ha! Yeah. they see me. There's a lot of power in this. I need to sneak up on them from behind so they don't see me coming. Right! I got them all! There's a lot of power in this.
Yeah, this ought to do it. There, you should be good on your own now.
Yeah, I guess. Wait, you're leaving?
Yeah, see, the thing is, I'm actually training under Kami right now. If I don't head back soon, that green geezer's gonna flip his lid. So yeah, you know, I think I'm gonna split it.
Oh, okay.
Boom! Take it easy, Squirt!
That guy's really something. I'm sure I could find something to eat, but I really wish I could go home.
What the? No way the Saiyans are here yet, but I'm sensing incredible power. Better go check it out. Goku can't possibly be back already. There's no sign of the Dragon Balls having been used yet. I don't know who or what it is, but if it's a threat, I'll get rid of it. Looks like someone wants to die. Hey!
Whoa! Piccolo!
Hey, you're looking stronger than usual.
Yeah, I trained at Kami's place. So, you want to see what I can do?
You don't look too confident. I can tell this won't go well for you.
Can you blame me? I mean, I was killed by a demon clan member once before. You guys freaked me out.
Huh, pathetic. Guess I'll just have to beat that fear out of you. Come at me!
Why, you? Here goes!
I see. So you and I have fought each other before.
Yeah, way back during the World Tournament.
Let's see if you've gotten any better. What, is that all you can do?
Not done yet!
This'll end it! This'll end it!
You wanna stay a weakling your whole life?
Come on, quit teasing me!
Damn it! This'll end it! I can't move!
As far as your technique, movement, and power go, you're not that bad.
I have been training since the last time we fought. You're actually pretty strong.
I think you pretty much figured it out. Not bad. You actually held your own.
Thanks, I guess.
Looks like you're doing something right in your training.
Okay, yeah, I think I got this.
If you don't want to die a second time, then you need to train more. Do that, and maybe I'll view you as more than just a waste of space.
Hey, I'll show you! I'm a student of the great Master Roshi, just like Goku. Which means I'm gonna get stronger, just you wait!
Whoa, this power is amazing. Piccolo? So the power I felt was coming from you, huh?
Oh, yeah. Krillin said you're fighting on our side now. Which is perfect. That means you can really help me out. Let me try out some of my moves on you.
You fight me? You're dumber than you look.
Well, you're looking at the new and improved Yamcha, thanks to Kami.
Huh. Is that so?
Yeah, Kami says I gotta fight someone stronger than me now. But, you know, I'm thinking I could even beat you now. I'm not about to get left in Goku's dust again. Buckle up, buddy, because you're in for a real challenge.
Fine, but don't blame me if you die. It seems you know who I am.
Of course I do. You're the guy who fought Goku in the World Tournament. I was there too.
Huh, don't remember.
What? Whoa, Piccolo, you're all right.
Think you're good enough to talk like that?
This'll end it!
I think I do remember you. You're the loser that couldn't beat Kami disguised as a human.
Oh, come on, don't be saying that. Spirit ball!
Maybe now you realize how powerless you actually are.
Break.
This'll end it! This'll end it!
I got?
Huh. Our difference in power should be obvious now.
What's going on? I should be better than this.
You're not too bright, are you? Did you just think I was sitting around doing nothing while you were training? Train all you want, but it's never gonna be enough to beat me.
Oh man, maybe you're right.
Huh. Don't feel too bad. You're still alive, aren't you? That's something. But you're gonna need a different approach to your training.
Come on. Don't count me out just yet. I've got what it takes.
Ooh, the energy from this thing is incredible. Wow, this tree has been here a long time. Huh, I'm not gonna visit Kami's anytime soon. Nothing but a waste of time up ahead. Time to head back.
Hey! Hey!
Piccolo.
Huh. So the power I sensed was from you. Looks like you knew I was nearby. Not bad for a deadweight like you.
You've got quite the mouth on you. Don't think for a second that I've started trusting you. To me, you're still the enemy. I'll defeat you here and now if I must.
What? You think you actually stand a chance against me?
I do. I did train under Kami.
Huh. Is that so?
He instructed me to return to the surface and further polish my technique by sparring with an even stronger opponent. And I can think of no better opponent than you. Let me show you how strong I've become.
Sounds good to me. I could use the entertainment. I'll play along. Oh, hey, you fought Goku in the World Tournament, didn't you?
That's right. I wasn't good enough to get Goku to fight me at his best back then.
Well then, let's see if you've got what it takes now. What's wrong? Go on, try and fight me using my true power.
Here I come!
This'll end it! This'll end it!
Not bad, Piccolo.
You have your moments, but is this all you've got?
I'm not finished yet!
Damn it! This'll end it! Damn it! This'll end!
I still have
I think you've had enough. You're better than I thought. At least you can dodge basic ki blasts. I guess that training of yours wasn't a waste of time.
You scum. How dare you? You may have the upper hand now, but not for long. I'm going to eventually defeat you.
I'd like to see you try.